Okay.
I love the brisket last time I came, but that has like a smoked, like crusted outside, and it's really delicious. You honestly,
so good.
yeah, you honestly don't even need a sauce. That's how good it is. What's up, guys? Welcome to a brand new video. My name is Jared.
And I'm Molly.
And as you guys know, if you've been following our channel or our TikToks or anything like that, we've been doing a whole series on every single restaurant at Disney Springs. We've done about 7 so far, and we have a new one today. We are at the Polite Pig.
Yes, so Polite Pig is one of the new locations that had opened up with Disney Springs back in 2014, and it's all barbecue style food, and it's delicious. I am very excited for this meal today. They're known for their brisket and their very, barbecue-oriented food.
Yeah, I mean,
also very much known for their bourbon selection here.
Yeah, they have a bourbon bar. So overall, I mean, this has been already kind of known as some of the best barbecue you can get at Disney in general, not just Disney Springs. Definitely the best at Disney Springs, and we're going to showcase why. So if you do like barbecue, any sort of Southern hospitality food, outside of Homecoming, this is going to be your best bet at Disney Springs. So we ordered all of our stuff already, so we'll showcase everything we got once it comes here. And we also got a picture of Sangria because we're us and we're extra. That's who we are.
Yeah.
Anyways, thanks for tuning in to this brand new video, and let's check out some awesome barbecue food that you guys need to try on your next Disney vacation. Alright guys, so we got our Sangria. So as you guys know, we love to pick apart any sort of drink deals we can and always tell you about them once we figure them out. So a pitcher of Sangria here from the Polite Pig is $27. So doing the math there, that's about $6 and change.
And then they're normally $11 a pop. So we were going to order 2 Sangrias, and the hostess was like, why don't you just get a pitcher for $5 more?
Exactly.
You're like, all right.
So we're saving us some money already, just like we kind of went over when we did the brunch over at Wine Bar George. But we just wanted to share a little bit about this place so you guys got some information, before your next trip.
Right, so the Polite Pig is owned by, local Florida chefs, and it's inspired by Florida barbecue. So they, very modern twist on barbecue food. They have a huge bourbon selection with over 60 bourbons available.
Yeah.
Also rye as well. But it's really just supposed to be all, local and, freshly made and the kind of that homey vibe.
Yeah, and also something that you guys might not have known, for a while they actually had Gideon's Cookies here. They recently stopped that. The reason for that is because Gideon's Cookie, yeah, they're getting their own location here at Disney Springs. If you guys don't know about Gideon's Cookies, we did a whole video about that place, and we'll cover it once the grand opening happens this winter here at Disney Springs. Best cookies you'll ever have in your life. But yeah, we'll showcase all the food here, but in terms of bourbon and smoked barbecue, anything of that nature, I have had the brisket here before and it's fantastic, but tonight I ordered something different, and I'll tell you what it is once we get it. So we're gonna wait for our food and have a few drinks, and thanks for tuning in. Alright guys, so we got our food, and as you can tell, Molly dug in right away. So what did you get?
So they have a special here that you can do. You can get 3 sides for $15. Normally the sides are $6, but this is basically what I get every time I come here. So I decided to go with the street corn to start with. It has like a barbecue twist on it, so it's got a little bit of spice. I went for, it's hot, the mac and cheese because it's me.
She loves mac and cheese.
And then also I got the whiskey caramel Brussels sprouts, which are absolutely delicious. I'm not a huge Brussels sprouts person, but like these are a must try here. Like I've never had any Brussels sprouts this good.
And if you guys follow us on Instagram at all, we posted this photo of these 3 sides before, actually. And everyone always talks about how good the Brussels sprouts look, which is like the weirdest food to be like, oh my god, that looks amazing, because who really just wakes up and is like, can't wait to have Brussels sprouts today. No, but they're very good. For me, I went with the bigger meal because I'm me. I got mac and cheese as my side, but I got the half chicken meal. I got the brisket last time, but this is smoked barbecue chicken. It looks awesome.
It also comes with a side of jalapeno cornbread and coleslaw, and as well they give you an array of sauces, which we're probably going to have to get more of because
the sauces here are fantastic.
So
let's just dig in really quickly and kind of tell you guys what we think about everything. Right off the bat, I'll take a bite of this smoked chicken. As you can see, check out that color, guys. It's really gorgeous looking piece of meat.
I like to put, they have like a sweet barbecue sauce. I like to put it on the mac and cheese.
Oh man.
Holy hell. Heck yeah. They give you an entire roll of paper towels at your table.
Which, as you can tell from my face, is needed. Seriously guys, that is absolutely amazing actually. I've never had the smoked chicken here, but if I had to recommend something between that and the brisket, I'd actually go with the chicken. Yeah, I love the brisket last time I came, but that has like a smoked, like crusted outside, and it's really delicious. You honestly, you honestly don't even need a sauce. That's how good it is. Mac and cheese is, of course, it's delicious. It's a whiter based mac and cheese, and it has that crust on the outside.
Nice breadcrumbs on top.
And
my Brussels sprouts.
How is all your food so far?
Delicious. Come on.
I'm struggling.
Gator.
I'm telling you, the only Brussels sprouts I like. So yeah, seriously guys, everything's fantastic so far. We're gonna keep eating and show you as we go, I guess. All right, so there's barbecue all over my face. Very messy.
Messy food, for sure. Make sure you bring your wet wipes with you.
Yeah, so kind of ranking everything we're having so far, mac and cheese is always amazing.
Mac and cheese blows me away every time. Honestly, my second best tonight might be the chicken. That chicken is phenomenal.
Yeah, and honestly, all 3 of the sauces are super good. The yellow one right here,
they actually,
more of like a mustard base.
I think they have like a limited selection for their sauces right now, because normally they have like a whole sauce bar, but we're just not able to access that because of COVID.
Yeah.
But like the sauces are fine.
Yeah, and like so Molly actually, what did you say? You like to take the sauce, put it on your mac and
There's
cheese?
one, it's like a sweet barbecue sauce. I'm not sure which one it is because they're not labeled, but put it on the mac and cheese and it is a party. Straight up party.
Any of these like real legit barbecue sauces are gonna be good no matter what. Honestly, anything you put it on. So there's like one with a little spicier taste to it, one's got a mustard base, and one's got a sweeter taste to it. So it's a little bit of everything, but I love all 3 of them. But yeah, this like completely smoked chicken is so good. Honestly, smoked food in general, like once you're at a real barbecue and you're getting real smoked food,
if it's prepared right,
you know,
my God.
You can tell. Let's just say that. By the way, I hope you guys are enjoying my brand new rain jacket.
He was a little insecure about it at first, but I think it looks great.
Yeah, this is like over at the Disney Star Wars store here at Disney Springs. They're running a bunch of merchandise for, you know, the 40th anniversary of The Empire Strikes Back. I actually went recently to go check it out in theaters, which is cool. But this is an old 70s and 80s retro Star Wars jacket. It has all the characters on the back too. So if you guys like the jacket, go to the Disney Springs Star Wars store and check it out there. But yeah, honestly, all the food's fantastic. This is definitely one of my favorite places to eat at Disney Springs. So heavily recommend it. And honestly, prices aren't too crazy either. I mean, 15 to 20 bucks for your meal, which is pretty reasonable considering the quality of the food. And you know, being at Disney Springs, things are expensive around here.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna keep eating. So it's very messy. That's really what I got for you guys, honestly.
One of the waitresses saw Jared and was like, "Do you need some wet wipes?"
Yeah. I am a literal child when I eat food, guys. Like, it's really embarrassing, but like ice cream, pasta, barbecue, anything like that, any sort of sauces, it will land on my lap. No matter what I do, I could layer up in napkins. I make it happen. But Molly was right about the sauce on the mac and cheese. It's very good. It's a great little addition. And the sangria is very good. And honestly, we probably get more than 4 glasses out of it. So it's a great deal. 27 bucks for probably 5 or 6 glasses of sangria. It's damn good.
Plus, you're in Disney Springs, so you can walk around with it afterwards. They'll give you plastic cups. So everyone wins.
And yeah, and as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, this is like our 8th or 9th Disney Springs dining review now, so feel free to check out our other ones because we got a bunch of them now, and we're trying to, our goal is to hit every single restaurant here at Disney Springs, which is kind of possible because so many other things aren't open and things are difficult with the parks right now and everything's kind of up in the air, so, but yeah, we're making it work. By the way, if you guys like barbecue, we also did a review on Pig Floyd's, which is like, rated like the best barbecue in Orlando.
Yeah, it's a local Orlando restaurant. Their street corn is much better.
Yes.
But they do barbecue and then they also do like Asian food in there a little bit. Like you get bento boxes. It's a really interesting combination, but they are delicious as well.
Yeah.
We actually, and it's funny, we have so many barbecue-oriented videos. We're not really barbecue people, but it's just a big thing down here because we're in Florida, I guess. Yeah,
once you're in the South, that's what there is. So, kind of like Homecoming. We're not really into that heavy food, but Homecoming is very good. So, oh yeah. All right, guys. So we're gonna wrap this video up. We got very full and very messy, and I needed this wet naps.
Yeah, the food's delicious. I always get the 3 market sides when I come here, and it's always too much food for me. Like, you'd think 3 sides wouldn't be, but oh my god, they're so full. You know, we would probably be a lot healthier if we didn't have a vlog and went out and ate at places like this.
Yeah, shout out to my friend Elliot, by the way. He's been trying to train me and get physically fit in 2020, and every time he sees these videos, I guarantee you, he just cringes and it's like, Jared, what are you doing?
80% diet, dude.
I know.
And I'm just like, sorry, we don't live that lifestyle.
I just can't do it. I just wish I could.
I like food too
I want
much.
to. But thank you so much for all of you guys who tuned into this video. We really appreciate you guys as always. If you guys are new to the channel, definitely check out the rest of our content. As I mentioned a few times, we're doing all sorts of restaurants at Disney Springs, but all sorts of other content too. We cover attractions all over Orlando, food, dining, all sorts of stuff like that. And surprisingly, our biggest platform nowadays is actually TikTok. So if you're on TikTok, come and find us on that.
We're close to hitting 10,000
followers,
which is really exciting.
It is very exciting.
Because then maybe we can start making a profit off of this.
Yeah, a little bit of money.
Fantastic.
Which could help support our unhealthy sangria pitchers.
Help support us.
That's one sip at a time. But thanks so much for tuning in. Definitely check out the rest of our content. If you guys ever want to request a video, by all means, put that in the comment.
Any location you want to see, whether it's in Disney or just in Orlando area in general, we'd be more than happy to check them out.
Yeah, and check us out on Facebook and Instagram for giveaways that we do every couple of months.
Monthly giveaways.
Yes. So thanks so much for tuning in. My name is Jared.
And I'm Molly.
And we'll catch you on the flip-flop. It's time to finish this sangria. Hello. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
3,
right there.
3 is me. Thank you.
Hot chicken and mac and cheese.
Perfect. Right here. Thank you.